Okay, so the one that we have here is our 1-inch belt machine. None of our machines are wrong with a belt. They're all the right drive, so you never saw them. You always get the full force of the motor. So this one again is a 1-inch belt machine, and it's as simple as you saw me do it. Just tighten that bolt, and you're ready. All of our machines, or most of our machines, come with a safety key. So this key is removable, and the machine will start. Put the key in there. To replace the belt, very simple. We got these 2 knobs on the side. Plug the machine for safety, and then you got this little lever. Move that up, and then your belt just pops right out. No tools necessary. No, just put it back on there. You're good to go. That's it.